Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you the Scarlet Night Pool Party on the Virgin Scarlet Lady cruise ship. You'll get to immerse yourself in the wild party atmosphere on board, feel the energy of the journey, and see how passengers enjoy themselves during the cruise. Get ready for vibrant experiences and unforgettable moments on the dream ship from Virgin Voyages.
Delectable darlings, well, welcome to the pool. And let me introduce to you the High Priest of the Seas, Isabel!
Tonight, we are the octopus goddess as we grant a safe to our voyage. But first, a toast to the sailors. Hooray! So the last and repeat after me. By the cut of the chin.
By the cuts of the chin.
By the flight of the crow.
By the crow.
If there's no wind to sail.
If there's no wind to sail.
Then get out and blow.
Then get out and blow.
To the sailors.
To the sailors.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it
'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna dance. I've been trying to cope since you ran